Alright, so in this video, I will be going to demonstrate how ChatGPT helps me to sell all my products here in Shopee and TikTok. Alright, I have my TikTok shop and I have my Shopee shop. Okay, so let's check the income. Okay, let's check my income and okay, let's okay, so it takes a lot, I don't know why. Alright, so this is my income in Shopee and my TikTok. I don't know if it's already logged in my account, so hopefully my computer will be able to remember my password so that it would be easy for okay. So no, I don't know how to check my shop here. Okay, my order, so orders, after sales. Okay, so I don't know how to navigate TikTok shop using website. Okay, but I have already order here. Maybe finance. Okay, so there you go, 2,341, and I also earned from commission. So how to check the commission earning? Okay, anyway, yeah, so let's check also my income from my website. So by the way, this is my website, so let's check the Internet Explorer. Okay, so let's check my website. Auto AI, I don't want. Okay, so that is my website, statisticsdoctor.com, and let's check how it looks like. Okay, so as you can see, this is my website. So, and my website has a lot of advertisement that is not actually my own. As you can see, this is from 20 CBT template. This is again from CBT template. Yeah, this is from Zeti. Oh wow, this from Oitech. This is from other yeah, CBT. Okay, so as you can see, my website is kind of messy, and I don't care because uh, Google is paying me, no, with these advertisements. Okay, so let's proceed how ChatGPT is helping me to sell my products, to sell my video, to sell my content, and to sell my YouTube again, to sell my YouTube to all viewers. And let's check my income in my website and my YouTube. So I have my AdSense account. This is to show you how am I earning. Oh my goodness, $26 and 11 impressions. Wow. All right. So my last earning is $232.87, and I now have $2.98. This is from my website only. And if you want to check my income from my YouTube channel, all right, so here 40.45 for now. All right. So let's proceed with the OpenAI. Okay, so this is the OpenAI application, the creator of ChatGPT. Let's try the ChatGPT, how it works. Okay, the connection is secure. By the way, guys, one of the products that I wanted to promote is the perfume boxes, because we do sell perfumes. All right, so write a video script about the best perfume boxes. Alright, so hello and welcome to our video on the best perfume boxes. Perfume boxes serve two important purposes. Oh, it's kinda long video, okay? But anyway, don't worry, I'll help you understand this, okay? So, okay, so that's all for now. So let's copy this script. Okay, so let's make sure. Okay, next is go to this website. Another AI application. So let's log in. I actually have my account here, so if you want to create your own account, please go to the description of this link, okay, of this video, so you can create your own. So by the way, this is free. My internet is kinda slow today. Okay, anyway, so I hope this works. All right, so since we created ChatGPT created a script for us, what's next is this proceed, and I will type the script here. So the title, what's the title again? Right, best perfume boxes. Okay, in order for your video to to become more visible, and it will not be it will not have too much text, so you can actually separate the text every period. Okay, but for now, for the purposes of this creating this video, let's try to proceed. Okay, and let's check the best video that let's check. Okay, so this is my video is all, since my video is all about fragrance, it's all about perfume, I will select this. Okay, and since I'm gonna create a YouTube video, so I will be choosing that ratio, 16:9 ratio. And while the application is creating the video, I will going to introduce you to text to speech. Okay, so this is a text to speech, so I will just refresh the application so you can see how it works. By the way, all you need to do is to paste the script here, and there you go. Okay, so you have the option what voice you are trying to create. whether a standard or an AI voice, whether the tone is the normal tone, the friendly tone, or a serious tone. So I would rather choose a friendly tone. And if you have also an option to listen by clicking the preview.
Hello and welcome to our video on the best perfume boxes. Perfume boxes serve two important.
Okay, I'm okay with that voice. So you can also select what type of voice you are going to use. Billy, Joey, Owen, Summer, and so on and so forth. Okay, just generate. Here, I just want to create my voiceover as it is. I don't want to have other things to, set up because I'm very excited. All right, so here, I can just download the voice and best perfume box. All right, so it was already in my folder. Let's go to the application. Okay, so feature to branding. Okay, shall show you around. Okay, I don't want the tools. Enable intro scene. Okay, let's try to add this. All right. So I don't want to change the photos. So there's a logo here. Anyway, that's an introduction logo. I don't want to have that introductory logo. Okay, so since I created a voiceover, all I need to do, let's try to if it's also possible. Perfume. Okay, this is my perfume. Okay, so let's choose. I want to choose this one. Okay, so this is the scene logo. And wow, not ready. Not ready. So the voiceover, I will gonna upload the voiceover. I will just drop. So where's the ChatGPT best perfume boxes? And let's choose to use the perfume boxes. Okay, so let's choose the entire video and just wait for some time to sync the voice over in the video. Okay, after which I will tell you how to generate and upload the video to your website. Okay, I will not going to watch
Hello
the
and welcome to
preview.
our video on the best perfume.
I will just gonna surprise you with the actual output. Okay, so I will just generate the video and okay, once it finish, you can check how your video perform and how you gonna increase your sales. Okay, so while it was generating, I will walk you through my Shopee, and I'm gonna show you the products that I okay, actually this is my product, the perfume, which I just don't want that to be promoted. So I want to promote the perfume box. Okay, so let's just, the website takes too long to respond. Okay, so this one, the perfume box. Okay, 100 pieces perfume box. Okay, this is what I wanted to promote. Okay, so it seems that there are still application. Okay, so by the way, if you have shop, guys, all you need to do is to think of other options to promote. Okay, you don't need actually to pay the campaign of Shopee or any other e-commerce store. Okay, visual effect, so let's check this one, and I will copy that for later purposes. Okay, I will copy this for later purposes because I will gonna put that link in my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's open my YouTube channel while waiting for the video to be generated. Okay, this is my YouTube. Alright, so I will prepare to walk you through with my channel, your channel. Let's click that. And hello everyone, so I will not going to discuss more about ChatGPT create because I already talked most of it in the article. Okay, very talkative video. Okay, I will just change the channel trailer by the latest video that I created. Okay, so I wanted to use this this one and this one. Okay, so I hope my video is now finished so I can upload my video na. Alright, so by the way, once this finishes, all I need to do next is to download the video being created. So as easy as that. But for the benefit of those who have no any prior knowledge, okay, so let me give you some background about what GPT can do. Okay, so I wrote an article about ChatGPT. Okay, so here is the article, and let's go to news and pressing issues, and let's check. Okay, this is one of the latest. Okay, this is about the ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the one, okay, I need to change the title, is one of the most seamless and advanced AI application from OpenAI. It will also help us earn $1 million a lot easier. Alright, so if you are a data scientist or if you are an aspiring data scientist, you don't actually need to look for a job in order for you to earn big bucks of money. You know what? As a data scientist myself, no, I am currently working as a director too in one of the biggest financial and auditing firm here in the Philippines. But for those who are aspiring to become a data scientist or a data analyst, you don't actually need to look for a job now, but nowadays you can earn big bucks of money online. It is much bigger when compared to working in a corporate job. Okay, because of the global pandemic outbreak. You know what? The global pandemic outbreak helps the pharmaceutical companies, laboratories, and other organization related to medicine. It also helps professionals in the field of medicine, such as the doctors, nurses, surgeons, and so on and so forth. That is the effect of the global pandemic outbreak. And the effect of the technology, or the impact of technology, is not only helping data analysts, is not only helping data scientists, it helps everyone to earn big bucks of money. Alright? So, for example, programmers before are the one who are very good in writing a script or code. But nowadays, do you know that this application, ChatGPT, can help everyone write a code for us? Okay, so let's try to demonstrate. Write a script. Write a Python script to perform a logistic regression in Jupyter Notebook. So I will gonna open the link of my data. Okay, so I will gonna use this one. So let's click on properties and then copy the source. Okay, the data set can be found in this folder. And the name of the file is attrition study. Column A is the dependent variable. So let's check how. Okay, let's check the independence variable. Okay, so the independent variable is column B to AI. Attrition study in CSV format. Column A is the dependent variable. Column B to AI are the independent variable. And then let's press enter. So let's check how it is helping us to create the code for us. So do you think, do we still need a programmer to perform logistic regression if ChatGPT is here to help us? All we need to do is to copy the script that this tool is providing to us. Okay, but while it is generating, so let's check if it's already been, okay, so it's already been downloaded. Okay, so the title is Best Perfume Boxes. Okay, Best Perfume Boxes. Okay, So I already have the video, best perfume boxes, and I already show you how this platform or tool help us create and perform a logistic regression using the data that I have stored in my folder. Okay, as easy as this. So imagine this ChatGPT. Okay, so if you want to watch the output of the AI application that I created, this is the next video. All right, thank you.
Hello and welcome to our video on the best perfume boxes. Perfume boxes serve two important purposes. They protect the bottle and its contents, and they add an element of luxury and presentation to the overall gift or purchase. When it comes to finding the best perfume boxes, there are a few key factors to consider. First, the material of the box should be high quality and able to withstand the wear and tear of daily use or storage. Options such as sturdy cardboard, wood, or even leather can add a level of sophistication to the box. Second, the design of the box should be visually appealing and match the style of the perfume brand. Whether you prefer a sleek and modern look or a more traditional and ornate design, the box should reflect the overall aesthetic of the perfume. Third, the size of the box should be appropriate for the bottle of perfume. The bottle should fit securely inside the box without too much extra space, as this can cause the bottle to shift around and potentially break. So, without further ado, let's take a look at some of the best perfume boxes available on the market. Option 1. The Lancôme Luxury Perfume Box is a classic choice made of high-quality cardboard with a simple yet elegant design. It features a silver foil logo and a soft velvet interior to hold the bottle in place. Option 2. The Chanel Luxury Perfume Box is another popular choice, made of sleek black cardboard with the iconic Chanel logo in gold foil. The box also includes a ribbon handle for added convenience. Option 3. The Jo Malone Wood Perfume Box is a unique and luxurious option made of durable wood with a beautiful grain finish. The box has a hinged lid and a soft velvet interior to protect the bottle. Option 4. The Dolce & Gabbana Leather Perfume Box is a luxurious and stylish choice made of high-quality leather. The box has a simple yet sophisticated design with the Dolce & Gabbana logo embossed on the front. We hope this video has helped you in your search for the best perfume boxes. Whether you're purchasing a perfume for yourself or as a gift, the right box can elevate the overall experience and make it even more special.